Hello guys, welcome back to our A6 C5 series. So today we will be removing the cluster or Speedo. It's pretty easy. You just need a Phillips screwdriver. I don't actually know the size. I don't think it really matters that much. I'm just using this one. Okay, I don't know the size as well. Okay. First things first, we need to remove this piece of trim here. Don't worry, if you have a steering wheel, you can do it with the steering wheel in place. Just pull it. Okay. And this will expose two Phillips screwdrivers. One is already removed because, well, this is actually broken. That's why it's removed. But you should have one in here and one in here. Oh, I actually need to do some strength. Okay. And now we just need to pull this out. Do it one from side to side. With both hands it will be easier, don't worry. This will offer always a little bit of resistance because you have the electrical connections on the back. Let's just keep pulling and it will come out. Okay. And from side to side. Okay, it's done. Okay. Now, as you can see here, we have these connections. So we will need to pry the pink connector, the pink lock, so that the connector becomes loose. Okay, and we'll have to do this for the remaining ones as well that are right there. So I'll just get the screwdriver to pry it out. Okay, so I already removed this one from the left side, and now I'll tackle these ones. You'll be able to see it really easy. Just screwdriver in here and it will come out really easy. Okay. Now do the same for this one. Let's get this one out of the way first. I should be doing this with a smaller screwdriver. It would be easier. Okay, but it's already open, so just a question of pushing it, and this is it. This is how you remove your cluster, and you can replace it if it's broken or if you want just another one. So pretty simple. Just remove the trim, 2 bolts, and then these connections that are really easy to undo. Okay, thank you very much. See you next time, guys.